Good evening. Today I am going to show you transparent command and his some very useful benefit. So let's talk about my favorite transparent command. Here you see, here I have some civil 3D COGO point. You can use this command to draw lines, polylines, feature lines, alignment and many more. Okay, in this case I am gonna use 3D polylines. Okay, so let's start. Simply type here 3D 3D poly. Okay, you see here 3D poly, hit enter. Okay, and go here, this one, the point number. My range is okay, my range is 1 to 693. Okay, I will make 1 and 693. Okay, and hit enter, and you see, wow, the line is automatically draw on the point and the point number. Okay, very fine. Escape to exit transparent command. Hit twice enter escape or press twice escape.